They gon' love me for my ambition.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ambition Rights. As you can see, I already have some stuff going on here. We're going to be talking about the June 2020 Curlbox and what we got and all that good stuff. So, I already used it. It was the ORS, Hair Rescue, and it's more of a emphasis on detoxing your scalp. This is what they look like. We got the ORS Hair Repair, Scalp Rescuing Detox Shampoo, sulfate free, and all of these products are talking about detoxify, smooths, and moisturizes and balances. All that stuff. So we got the shampoo, we got the Scalp Rescuing Detox Mask, the Coconut and Baobab Anti-Breakage Conditioning Cream, Coconut and Baobab Vital Oils for damaged dry hair and scalp, the ORS Hair Repair Scalp Rescuing Detox and Renew Concentrate, which I'm confused about because is this a leave-in conditioner? Like in this thing, it says this leave-in treatment, but I think it's just for your scalp. So there's technically no leave-in conditioner in this package, in this line. So first of all, when I found out that it was ORS Hair Repair, I wasn't exactly that excited because I don't know, I'm not familiar with their products or the ingredients, so I was just like, so I just tried the shampoo. This shampoo is super, it's super light, super creamy. Like, this stuff is a creamy dream, okay? I must say that. It smells very detoxifying. I don't know what that's. It smells like charcoal kind of, but like a pleasant charcoal. So there's nothing I didn't like about the shampoo. I love the pump, love how creamy it is. I shampooed twice because your girl had butters and gels up in this hair. So shampooed twice, my hair did not feel stripped. It actually felt pretty good. So shampoo is not that bad, okay? And it's a 13 fluid ounce. But you know what was very interesting about this line? It says that's a high-performance scalp and hair fix inspired by skincare. That's very interesting. It has ingredients in here that is normally for skin. So it has like hyaluronic acid, B15 biocomplex, which is like biotins, plant stem cells, raw clay, exfoliators, green tea. Like, this is actually some intense things in here. But yeah. I thought that with the shampoo I would get more of a tingly feeling, but I actually didn't. So don't really expect that from this. Unless, I mean, my hair was just rough and didn't get that feeling, but I didn't. On to the Scalp Rescuing Detox Mask, which also says that you can use it as a pre or post shampoo treatment. I decided to use it as a post treatment just because I really wanted to see what the shampoo can do without the conditioner. And I also wanted to deep condition. So shampooed, then I put this on. This stuff is super, super creamy. That's what it looks like. It's actually pretty bouncy. I don't know if you can see that. It reminds me of like a mousse. Like, it's actually very light and creamy. It glided on my hair very nicely. It actually said to apply to your scalp and hair, focusing on your scalp, because this is what it is, the scalp detoxifying. So I applied it on my scalp like a relaxer, because it's actually like that consistency. It feels like a whip, so it's actually very easy to apply to your scalp. So I'm sitting there applying it. I'm listening to my DJ Lobo. If you don't know what that is, go ahead and check that out. It's an Afro Play music, and he has like different mixes and stuff. It's so dope. So I got my DJ Lobo on, and I'm applying the deep conditioner to my scalp and stuff. It's feeling good. And then I remember the song and everything. It was like, shining, 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 yeah. And then the deep conditioner went bloop. It fell on the floor. Truth is, I'm tired. And I'm like, shh. This is too whipped to be falling in the shower. The whole thing, most of it, that's why it looks so empty. Most of it came out in a clump, bloop, right in the shower. And because it's so whipped and so like airy, it literally just fell in like a clump. And I'm like,
I'm so freaking pissed.
So I went and scooped it all up, put it in the cap of the container. I'm not wasting product, so I continue using the product, but I'm just so mad that this was happening. So I'm still shining, yeah. And then I start to feel my scalp like tingling, and I'm like, ooh, this is intense. So you get the tingling feeling from the deep conditioner for sure. Okay. It's not uncomfortable. It's just like, I know it was working. Okay, so it's shining. And then it was like, whoo, you know. So that was happening. And then I continued, you know, doing that. I detangled. Detangling actually was pretty fine. Just make sure your hair has tons of water to be able to detangle. If not, it'll be a little hard. I washed it out and everything, and it was cool. But because I fell in the shower and, you know, I washed up everywhere else, you know, my lady parts felt like it was getting a yoni steam. I don't even know how to say it, because this stuff is intense now because it's in the shower and it dropped in a clump. So, you know, it felt tingling, shining. Just kidding. Don't drop this in the shower, y'all. I do like this conditioner. I will say it's definitely for your scalp. Like, my hair feels okay. When I washed it out, it didn't feel as moisturizing as I would want, but I didn't expect that from this. Scalp feels nice. It feels detoxified. I felt bald, okay? Meaning my hair felt very airy, like a breeze just, and all my hair would have probably left off my head. It felt very light and bald feeling. On to the coconut oil and Baobab anti-breakage conditioning cream. So I know y'all, it has coconut oil. I completely understand, but I want to try it because there's not much going on in this line, and also because it doesn't have a leave-in conditioner in this line. So I'm like, I gotta use this as the leave-in conditioner. It said you could put this on your scalp, but I really didn't want a cream on my scalp. It's a little weird. So when you concentrate, I'm gonna put this on my scalp and see if that helps me. It's definitely like a cream. Oh wow, this is definitely a cream. And then we're gonna seal in my hair with this oil. I just wanna try it. You can also put that on your scalp, but this is too much things on my scalp. Ooh, she didn't penetrate. Ooh, look at these curls, but why does it look like this? Why did it foam up? That's weird. It feels like there's still shampoo in my hair. Did I not wash out the shampoo? I did wash out the shampoo, okay. But look at these curls. I don't know why it's foaming. Wow, these curls are popping. Y'all, let me go see if I can wash this out real quick. Hold on. Yo, I don't know. I think that's just how the leave-in conditioner feels. Like, my curls are popping, but my hair feels rough. Let's first use this thing. I'm just going to use this in the center. It's like my sore area, but I don't want to put it everywhere else because I don't know how it's going to react to my skin yet. Should always do that with new products, okay? Alright, let's put some of this oil on my hair. Ooh. Me like. I usually don't like oil, but this smells really nice. Yeah, my whole head feels like this. I did wash out the shampoo. I don't care what you're trying to say. Maybe I applied too much of the cream, but like I said, this is not a leave-in conditioner. It's meant to put on your scalp. So maybe, it did say small amount. Maybe I just put too much. Okay, final thoughts on this line. I like the shampoo. I like the mask. I'm mad that I dropped it, but I do like it. The cream, it's not really doing much for me. Scalp Renew and Detox and Renew Concentrate. I mean, we will see. I don't really have scalp issues. And then the oil I do like. So, that's my final thoughts. My curls are definitely popping. But yeah, comment down below, have you tried this new hair line? Is it new? I don't even know. Have you tried the ORS Hair Repair line before? I know ORS used to be an OG back in the day. I used to love their conditioning. The orange one, the yellow orange one. I loved it. So yeah, comment down below. Let me know your thoughts, your questions, your concerns. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.